Hello, friends. Welcome after so many days. Today, I gonna talk about practice. Practice, you know, practice equals to focus plus repeat. Practice equals to focus plus repeat. Practice with a right direction makes a man perfect. You will be perfect. प्रैक्टिस ऐसे चीज़ है, एक ही काम बार बार करते रहना जब तक ना आने लग जाए. Practice and focus in a right direction. Practice and focus in a right direction makes a man perfect. Oh my God, मैं तो इंट्रोडक्शन देना ही भूल गया. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं अमित. वेलकम टू माय चैनल लेट्स टॉक विद अजय कोलकाता. And today I gonna introduce one of my younger tutor, Mr. Atul. Lovely teacher, lovable teacher, way of teaching fantastic. If you want, you can learn from our conversations. I had a conversation with Mr. Atul and I gonna produce this kind of conversation for you. Yeah, now it's okay.
Yeah, no, it's perfect. Now, yeah, you're also visible and audible as well.
Yeah,
So,
and am I
yes,
visible?
yes.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. So, how are you?
Yeah, fine.
Fine.
Yeah,
And I think it has been, I think, 2 or 3 days since we had our conversation, right?
yeah. And day before yesterday, I was trying, but I thought that you had a session with other students with your other students. So that's why.
Yeah. Actually, you know what? That I will tell you in few minutes what the scene was. Okay, anyway, so you had 2 sessions, so did you like them?
Yeah, yeah, of course.
Yes, no? Yeah.
It's for beneficial for our channel.
Yeah.
The feedback.
Yeah, true, very true. No?
And
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I had requested to because please made a sessions with Atul. But yeah, I don't know why you were not available. That's why,
Yes.
yeah,
Yeah.
that's why because fixed with some Madhusudan. Yeah, Mr.
Mm,
Madhusudan. Yeah,
yeah. Madhusudan, I think, yes. So, did you like the session now? That was also good,
yeah, yeah.
right? No? Yeah. So, actually, yes, now I have changed my timing slots. Earlier I was taking, at night also, but now I'm also only taking at daytime only. So,
Okay,
that's the reason. Yeah.
okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. So, for
And
few,
if you if you chosen this kind of slot,
yeah, time slot. Yeah.
yeah, I think that it will be beneficial for me.
Yeah. You know what? Actually, you know what? Okay, so like, do you find anything different in me than other tutors? That's why you were saying this?
No, not like that. But anyhow, I choose to you as my tutor in this
Yeah.
class.
So, what you can do is that you can take your sessions at daytime with me if it is possible for you.
It only the second. It will be only second Saturday and fourth Saturday or Saturday Sunday.
Okay, okay, second and fourth Saturday.
Yeah, second and fourth Saturday or Sunday. That will
Or
be
Sun- yeah.
beneficial for me.
Yeah,
That's it.
actually, you know what? I was just I was only free for 2 weeks, so I just messaged because that and now from now on I'm gonna take sessions at night only, and day
Okay.
before yesterday only it got over. So I will try, and I will just inform you. Actually, now the thing is that I have to do my assignments and all, so
Okay.
for that, that is the reason, I have to change my schedule, you know.
Yeah,
So
no
that's the
problem.
reason.
If it will be possible for you, then fine.
Yeah. Whenever if I get a time, or if there is any free time available for me, then obviously I'm gonna book, or I'm gonna inform Mr. Vikas that
Yeah.
yeah, today I'm free at night, so you can book a session with me. So yeah, I will tell him if I get a if I will be available.
Okay.
Yes, no.
But one requirement for me today.
Mm-hmm.
I will tell you one thing.
Yeah.
Today I had a session with Mr. Madhusudan, and um, he uh, she had given me a feedback regarding our speech. Regarding our speech, I know it. It would be happen in my conversation, and I made some mistakes. But some problem was there in our conversation. She uh, find out it that I used to mix some present tense and past tense in
Mm-hmm.
my conversation.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And one thing was there. He advised me put some conjunctions in my conversation or during my conversation.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I'm telling to you in during our conversation. If I made some kind of mistake, I will. If please
Mm-hmm.
put it down, write it down in your paper, and after having a conversation, correct it, whatever mistakes I made in my conversation.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
I want to correct it because I have this problem. I know I mixed up some present tense and past tense. Yeah, it will comes automatically at the time of talking
Mm-hmm.
in
Yeah.
my flow. I know it, but
Mm-hmm.
yeah, but I am trying because I had a session with someone, some our tutor, and if she put some correction in my correction during my conversation, obviously she advised me for my betterment.
Yeah. Yes.
That's why I'm telling to you, if at the time of our conversation, I will make some time this kind of mistakes. Please try to correct it.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
okay, so on this note, I would like to tell you two, three things. Okay, so if you want me to correct you in between only, so right now also you made a mistake. You said
Okay.
telling to you, you said telling to
Yeah.
you, but instead
Yeah.
of this, you should say telling you, not telling to you, telling you. All
Okay.
right. And when you're talking about mixing up the sentences or about the tenses, past, present, future, actually you can do that, but it has to be appropriate. It has to be in a right way. You know, we are humans, and we don't only talk about past. We don't only talk about future. Yeah, we can mix them, but it has to make sense. So maybe on that point he said that. You know.
Yeah. Yeah. I know that. I know
Mhm.
that.
Yeah.
Suppose uh, at that present moment I am talking or I am telling some story to you,
Yeah. Yes.
and when the character or subject
Mhm.
trying to say something in the past also,
Yeah.
then what will be the correct sentences? He or she must say it in the present sense.
Hmm.
Suppose there was a king, and one day she tried to tell something to his servant,
Yes, yes.
and that kind of sentences must be in present tense.
Yeah, that is what the thing is. Yeah. You
Yeah,
know, whenever you're narrating any story, you have
yeah,
to use past. There was a king. So what's the past?
yes,
And
yes,
then somewhere you will use present tense there, and sometimes, if possible, you will also use future tense. So yeah, that
yeah,
is what the thing is, and that is what I'm trying to convey you.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I know that, but at the time of flowing, at the time of talking,
Mhm.
yeah, I made this kind of yeah.
No, no, it's fine. It's fine. It will get fine within, few weeks. It doesn't matter. You just have to be more conscious. While you're speaking, you have to
Yeah,
like think for a few seconds in your mind. I know your speed will reduce. Your
yeah,
the rate of words will decrease, but it's fine. When you will think now, then I think it will be more good. We can just try it. And then see if it works or not. All right.
yeah,
And
yeah,
if
yeah,
it doesn't work, then we can change our strategy. All right.
yeah, 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 yeah. No problem. That's why
Fine.
I'm telling to you. No.
Mhm.
Oh
Yeah, yeah.
yeah. Again, this the same thing telling to you.
Yeah, telling you. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. No,
Right.
yeah. No, it's fine. It's fine. You learn from your mistakes. There is
Yeah,
no
yeah.
big issues with it. Now I think you will always remember this. Not telling to you, telling you. Yeah,
Exactly. This is my way.
yeah, yeah.
After having a conversation, what I usually do, I go through whole video,
Yeah. Mhm.
and not once, twice, thrice.
Okay.
And why I am telling this kind of or talking this kind of conversation or correction, because after having twice or thrice, or after seeing this kind of conversation, I can uh, keep it in my mind like a
Mhm.
story.
Okay. Hmm. Yeah, that's very cool.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
is my way.
Mhm. And you know what I saw in my this Skype, that you have watched, I think, most of my sessions, right? My previous sessions, my previous world sessions. And I think
Yeah,
there were many people like you. There were many people like you. There were many learners like you who watched my previous sessions. I think maybe 1 or 2 months ago, there was this session with someone. I don't remember. Like, I was just checking and I was just scrolling up and down. And then I saw like, yeah, people are watching my old videos, old sessions. So yeah, you were watching, right? I think there were many. I think there were 5 to 6 people. You know,
yeah,
and that was a good thing.
and through this way, not go through. I want to be grow through this kind of go through, not go through, grow through.
Yes, go through. Yes, true, true, nice. Hmm. Yeah, and you know what? When you will watch other sessions now, then also
Yeah,
like there we correct them. The other learners, and from
yeah,
that also you can learn. Right now.
exactly,
Yeah,
exactly.
so that's a very good thing. You should keep.
But in my future, in my future, I'll be more cautious.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You will be. Yeah. Okay. So, do you know topic for the day, or do you want to talk about something else?
No problem. Go for topic, and and yesterday I had my conversation with Madhusudan, and it was around 45 minutes. 45,
Okay.
yeah, 45 to 48 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
And we were trying several times to touch our topics, topic, but
Yeah. Yes.
we couldn't touch our topic because after having our conversation, uh, uh, Mr. Madhusudan told me that we are trying several times, but I don't know why. It is the conversation where it was the conversation of Mr. Madhusudan. I
Mm-hmm.
don't know why. Uh, Whatever you said to me, and I don't have this kind of opportunity to enter my topic.
Yes. So basically, like you diverts, right? And that's a very good thing, you know. Why only topic? You should talk about something else also. Yeah, so that's a good thing. And I think the
No,
same thing happened with us.
not like that. I intentionally diverted our topic to the another way, but I also tried. But
But
anyhow,
it didn't work, yeah.
yeah, it didn't work, and he just loved my
Way of
story
speaking.
or whatever I said to him at that moment.
Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, I know, like you're a very interesting person. So yeah, I think everyone will like you. you know. So yeah. And sometimes sometimes I also watch some of your videos on your channel, like you have few of your videos of clappingo, I think. You
Yeah,
have these sessions with clappingo
yeah.
and all.
I was 1 month session. I had 1 month session with Clappingo team. But in our club, in my Clappingo session, I had session with some tutors,
Hmm.
and uh, and they were very much loved me.
They were very much lovely.
Yeah, loved me
Okay,
too.
okay.
Me, yeah,
Yeah.
and yeah,
Yes, yes. Yeah, because that's the reason you are a very lovely person. That's why they loved you. So that's the main reason. And you know what? In your about, in your channel, I saw that you have written, all the credit goes to my, to clapping go. They have improved me a lot. What you have written something
yeah,
like
yeah,
this
yeah,
right now?
yeah,
Right now?
yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I
Obviously,
saw that.
obviously.
Yes. Yeah. And you know what? Then there was this session of yours in which you were talking. I think you were in your scooty or in your bike
Yeah,
while you were riding.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes.
It was that was my second or third session,
Okay.
and yeah, and when at that time I was returning from my court, and
Uh,
I thought that, oh my God, it was time for my session,
yes, yes, yes.
and yeah, I just set aside my bike side of the road, and I took my session.
That's, I think it's a very good, the amount of dedication which you have in yourself is, it's very amazing. You know, while you're riding, like you stopped for few minutes and then
Yeah,
you had your session and then then
yeah,
you go to your,
15. Yeah, they are giving usually give to the students like 19 minutes
the buffering time. Yes.
buffering time, and it will be automatically cut.
Yeah. Yes.
There is
Yes.
no
Yes.
need to cut from your
Yeah.
end.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, there are two options. One, so you can cut it manually, and the second one is automatically, right?
Yeah,
So I think most of the learners, they tell their tutors to not cut the call, manually. Let's wait for the call to cut automatically, right?